before I read his professional bio, I would like to share with the students that Ankit, me, and the Sandeep Chaudhary were the classmates in the batch 2002 to 2006. And Patel sir used to taught us. He is one of the teacher who has taught us. And Ankit used to be an all-rounder. He was good at studies, participated in various events in the college. And I could remember before examination, his room used to be converted into some coaching class. Late nights studies जो होती है एग्जाम से पहले semester so he used to be the one of them and I could remember handled everyone at that crucial time. So I found him always calm and composed most of the time. And after BTech, he worked in Accenture and then he pursued his MBA course. And after MBA, he started career in investment banking. He is now an accomplished treasury professional with experience in trading, sales, compliance, and operations. In his rich professional experience, he worked with very big brands like Accenture, JP Morgan, Chase Bank, and currently he is working as a vice president at Yes. So now I would like to invite Ankit uh, to talk to our students.
Thanks, Gaurav. Thanks a lot for such kind words. कितना सच्चा है ये तो आप ही जानते हो. Hello everyone. I hope you all are settled in. We can start the session right now. First and foremost, thanks for having me here. It's a matter of great pride and pleasure for me for being given an opportunity to speak to you all. Like in 2006, I passed out, as Gaurav mentioned. 2006 में हुए थे. Now, after so many years, I'm talking to you all. It's a great feeling. Thank you. Thanks for that.
Ankit, this is B.D. Patel. How are you?
Hi, sir. Very good afternoon. I'm doing good, sir. Thanks, sir. How are you?
Fine. Just Gaurav told me that you just joined for some. Ankit is very much interested.
So nice to see you, sir. After so long.
Yeah. I was quite long thinking about you that we should have this kind of interaction with our students, current students who can get some motivation from such a brilliant student. So I welcome you all on my behalf and on behalf of all of us. And we are feeling very great that you are here to discuss your experience, your journey with our students. So welcome once again. Please
Thank
start.
you, sir. Thanks. That means a lot, sir. Thank you. Thanks, sir. So I'll start with my introduction first. I have around 13 years of overall professional experience, where I worked in multiple industries. I started my career with sound industry, with Bose Corporation. If you all know, this company provides sound solution to all the big corporates and the retails. Like you must have seen all the theaters and stadiums and auditoriums and hotels. So my job was to provide sound solution to retail segment of the client, like big bungalows and other ultra rich individuals. But I had a relatively very short stint in Bose. I joined Accenture soon after joining Bose, and I worked there for 2.5 years. I moved to Bombay after that. I'll just quickly, briefly introduce, give you a professional background, and then subsequently we'll come to topic. So after Accenture, I went for my MBA. I completed my MBA from Goa Institute of Management in 2011 in finance majors, and then subsequently I joined JP Morgan in the operations field. Had a short stint in JP Morgan itself in compliance as well, and then subsequently I joined Yes Bank as a treasury professional. So my current profile, I have been with Yes Bank for around 5 years now. So I'm a treasury professional. My role is to form views on the currencies. There's this very huge financial market in currencies as well, like you all know, stock market. Currency market is rather more huge. Daily volume span around $1.7 trillion. So euro, dollar, GBP, cable. So we form views and then we sell our views to clients. Idea is to garner this currency business for the bank. So net right now मैं trader हूँ, market में रहता हूँ, trade करता हूँ, clients को trade कराता हूँ, उनका currencies में पैसा बनवाता हूँ, जिससे हमारा पैसा बनता है. But if I may add, this passion for the markets, it developed actually in the same campus. If I remember correctly, I think my second or third year में था, where my brothers used to discuss stock markets. मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्ट आता था कि अभी स्टॉक्स बढ़ गए, कम हो गए, क्या हुआ. I started reading about the markets, opened my Demat account, and then subsequently, my first investment was in some penny stock. So word of caution here, I am not advocating buying in penny stocks, but just that I'm sharing my experience. So मैंने 50 पैसे का शेयर लिया था. I bought some 10,000 shares for 5,000 rupees. In weeks times, stock 2.35 rupees पहुंच गया. So I sold all my shares for 23,500 rupees. Some 360% return in matter of weeks. That was an eye-opener for me. I was like, this is the place where I want to be. And that is where my interest in the capital markets grew. So I started reading more. मेरे को लगा मेरे को मार्केट्स करने और पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या होता है, which all factors decide the stocks movement, कंपनीज कैसे परफॉर्म करती हैं, कैसे उनकी बैलेंस शीट पढ़नी चाहिए. So that was my foundation stone, which happened in second or third year. And that actually brings me to the topic of the discussion today. Power or magic of starting early in life. Whatever you want to do. आपको फोटोग्राफर बनना है, एस्ट्रोलॉजर बनना है, इकोनॉमिस्ट बनना है, कुछ भी करना है, start early. So I'll briefly touch upon the power of compounding, and then I'll gradually take you to the factors where we can apply this concept in a real life. So we all are engineers, we know. Okay, so as and when you have any question, maybe you can stop me there. Or subsequently after, I'll take another 10-15 minutes after that, we can have a Q&A session in case if you have any question. So compounding is, suppose आपके 100 रुपया है और आपको 10% annualized return मिलता है. So एक साल में आपका जो इंटरेस्ट है 10 रुपये बनता है. So 100 rupees become 110 after 1 year. अब आपका बेस 110 रुपए का हो गया. You make 10% return on 110 now, and your interest is now 11 rupees. So 2 साल में आपका 100 रुपए 121 रुपए बन जाता है. So effectively, if you think logically, compounding is helping you build on your base. आपका बेस बड़ा हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से आपका प्रॉफिट बढ़ता जा रहा है with time. It doesn't happen overnight, but it happens with time. So now, this very simple of compounding, if you apply in your personal life or for that matter professional life, it can do wonders. It has worked for me, and I hope this will work in your respective cases as well. So my very first advice to you all, Gaurav, I am audible enough, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You are audible.
Fantastic. So my very first advice to you all would be start reading early. Daily पढ़ो. सिर्फ 5 से 10 मिनट लगाओ, पर at least 2 आर्टिकल daily पढ़ो. There is no substitute of education, of knowledge. 2 articles daily, in a matter of a year, you will know around 700 new things, which your colleagues or friends or relatives might or might not know. Daily पढ़ना है. Nothing more, nothing less, just 2 articles daily. Now someday you might feel very energetic, very happy. It's like आज तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, आज मैं बहुत पढ़ाई करूँगा, मैं सारी बुक्स ले लूँगा, न्यूज़ आइटम्स ले लूँगा, आर्टिकल्स ले लूँगा, जर्नल्स ले लूँगा. बहुत पढ़ लोगे, 10, 12, 15, 20 आइटम्स पढ़ लोगे. and would not be able to retain those as well. But reading daily will add on your intellectual capital. You'll keep on building on it, like the way compounding works. Trust me, if you start early, and say start early by say first or second year, by the time you leave college, fourth year tak, you might know more than what your interview might know. Very much possible. कुछ भी पढ़ो. If you want to know how Japanese are different, if you want to know how China is building their factories, you want to know about economics, you want to know about politics, GK, anything you want to know, start reading it from today. अब हद मत करो. हर एक के पास फोन है, कोई भी न्यूज वेबसाइट, ऐप, ब्लॉग्स की कोई ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो and start reading daily. Trust me, it has worked in my case, and I'm sure it should work in your case as well. There's no substitute of knowledge. There's no substitute of knowledge. And just imagine a scenario. Knowledge gives you a lot of power. आप एक रूम में बैठे हैं, पूरी फैमिली बैठी है, फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं, and you know something which others don't know. That's a fantastic feeling to have. Very happy feeling. Knowledge gives you power. So keep reading daily. ये मत सोचना मैं सेकंड ईयर तक मजे कर लेता हूँ, मैं थर्ड ईयर से पढ़ना शुरू कर दूंगा, अब तो मैं फाइनल ईयर निकल जाऊँ, उसके बाद में जॉब में पढ़ना शुरू कर दूंगा. No exception to it. Start reading daily. That would be my first advice to you. Over the time, you'll build a lot of intellectual capital, and that will really help you in future. आपको डिफरेंशिएशन भी क्रिएट करना है फ्रॉम योर कलीग्स, ताकि कुछ कंपनी को 10 ही लोग चाहिए, आप तो 400 लोग हैं, वो 10 लोगों को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. Those who know more, obviously they have an edge. You should be ahead, way ahead of others. I'm not saying be competitive in that sense, but yeah, positive competition is good. So my first advice would be to start reading early. My second advice would be to start saving early. After pass out, so Gaurav, do we have final year students as well here?
But we do have.
Fantastic. So after you pass out from college, or maybe in few months time, you start earning. So there's this golden rule of earning. You should save at least 10% of your monthly income. आप 20,000 रुपए कमाते हैं, तो 2,000 at least monthly save करिए. If you make 50,000 a month, by God's grace, save at least 5,000. I know you can save much more, but at least save 10% of your monthly income. Trust me, by the time, so as I told you, I have 13 years experience. So I've done the numbers. Taking a very basic case, अगर आप 2,000 रुपए भी महीने का सेव करते हैं, and at 10% annualized return, you will have a corpus around 4.5 lakhs at the end of 10 years, which is a lot of money. और यहाँ पे मैंने ये assume किया कि आप सिर्फ 2,000 रुपए ही सेव कर रहे हैं. As you will grow in your professional life, आपका packages बढ़ेंगे, salaries बढ़ेंगी, हो सकता है आपका business flourish करे, all those who will go into business, आपकी income बढ़ेगी. With the increasing income 20 से 40,000 होता है, आप 4,000 रुपए सेव करना शुरू कर दीजिए. 8,000 होता है, 80,000 होता है, 8,000 रुपए सेव करना शुरू कर दीजिए. Trust me, if you follow this golden principle, at the end of 10 years, you will have a kitty of around 13-15 lakh rupees. That is a lot of money. After 10 years, you might own a fantastic car, or you might go for an international trip, or you might start your own business. Mom, dad को कुछ अच्छा सा gift दे सकते हो. You can do a lot of things. 13-15 lakhs is a lot of money. सिर्फ 2,000 रुपए या फिर 10% golden rule follow करके. And as you will grow in life, अभी आप viewers पे what 21, 22. As you grow in life, your responsibilities, your expenses will increase. You will have wife, husbands, kids. You will have dependent parents. This one basic rule will take care of all these problems. Trust me. This will help. This will work. So my first advice was start reading early. My second advice is start saving early. You can put some part of the saving into investments as well. There's this 100 minus age rule as well, which is also golden rule. आपकी एज अगर 20 साल है, तो 80% आप अपना जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं इक्विटीज में इन्वेस्ट करिए, और 20% डेट में इन्वेस्ट करिए. This we can discuss subsequently. All those who have interest in the markets, this we can discuss subsequently. But point is, golden rule is 10% save करना है the day you start earning. बहुत सारे थॉट्स आएंगे, मैं तो 4 साल इतना पढ़ाई किया है, मैं ये कर लूंगा, वो कर लूंगा, मैं ले चला जाऊंगा, गोवा चला जाऊंगा, थाईलैंड चला जाऊंगा. डू ऑल दैट. बाय अ बाइक, बाय अ कार, डू ऑल दैट, सब करो. एटलीस्ट 10% सेव करने के बाद will really help you in life. And if few of you follow this principle and you achieve something in life, my job is half done. This session in that case is pretty fruitful. So my first advice was start reading early. Second is start saving early. My third advice to you would be, and see, all these advices, they are based on the fact that you build on the corpus, power of compounding. आप पहले दिन से शुरू करो, you'll keep on doing it. 2,000 per month will make 24,000 in a year. 10% return, 26,400. फिर उस पर 24,000 ऐड करो, 10 साल के अंदर you will make around 4.5 lakh rupees. That too by only just 2,000 rupees. My third advice to you would be start working on your health at the earliest. आज ही से शुरू करो. There is no substitute to health. अभी हमने देख ही लिया, last 1.5 2 years have been awful, very bad. सबने फोकस किया है कि इम्यूनिटी पे काम करो, but it doesn't develop in 1 to 10 15 days. It takes years to develop. Start working on your health now. Right now I'm very sure you all must be very energetic. हम लोग भी रात भर, when we were your age, रात भर जगते थे, सुबह लेक्चर्स भी कर लेते थे. Now it's difficult for us, and trust me, after 5-10 years down the line, it would be rather more difficult. अभी से शुरू करो. Start working on your health. Just like a bank where you earn health coins. And trust me, जब एज ज़्यादा होगी तो पैसे से ज़्यादा ये health coins काम आएंगे. Again, compounding effect. Start working on it. Create a lot of health wealth for yourself. This will certainly help. My fourth advice to you would be start your insurance early, and this is very interesting. You must be thinking, what compounding effect will come in the insurance? So last 1.5 2 years, you know how healthcare expenses have shot up. I tell you, जब COVID first wave आया था in last April में, my colleagues, friends, they had to shell out around 10-12 lakh rupees for COVID treatment. That's a lot of money. So you might lose your entire life saving in one illness. God forbid, we don't have to go through all that. But that's scary, you know. That's scary. Insurance शुरू से start करो. We would not like to land up in a situation where we have to decide between a life and money. जो हमें पता है हम कर सकते हैं. We should start investment early in insurance. So there are two types of insurance. I'll briefly touch upon the insurance bit because this is very important. There are two types of insurance. One is health insurance. Other one is life insurance. Life insurance को हम term insurance भी बोलते हैं. So first, life insurance. Life insurance is an insurance which gives you mortality benefit. Like when the insured person dies, उनकी family को पैसा मिलता है for them to recover. And suppose if he is the breadwinner, then family needs money to survive after him. So again, there's a golden rule. Whatever your annual expenditures are, you should have an insurance corpus of 10 times of your annual expenditure. आप 3 लाख साल का खर्चा करते हो, your annual corpus should be 30 lakhs. 5 lakh में bare minimum should be 50 lakhs. And as and when your income will increase, keep on increasing the corpus as well. लाख रुपए महीने का कमाते हो, 10 लाख रुपए साल का खर्चा करते हो, तो your corpus should be around 1 crore. And the logic is family takes around 10 years to recover from the financial trauma after the breadwinner goes away. So 10 times your annual expenditure is what your term insurance should be. This is very important. Life insurance also. So I would say your very first investment after first salary should be in health insurance. कितने का भी लो, but सबका लो. Take insurance for yourself, your parents, जो भी dependents, and then subsequently when the family will grow, you will have a wife, husband, kids. Keep on adding them in the kitty. It's very painful. I'm telling you, with the kind of healthcare cost, people lose their entire life saving in one illness. I've personally experienced it. It's very heartbreaking. जब हमें पता है कि हम कर सकते हैं ये और प्रीमियम भी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं, should start early. And सबसे बड़ा फायदा तो ये है कि जितना जल्दी आप स्टार्ट करोगे आपके प्रीमियम उतने ही कम होंगे. So there's this concept of actuaries, which you will learn subsequently, but they calculate the premium basis your age and the kind of risky environment where you work. So there's some calculations involved, but हाँ, bottom line is कि अगर आपकी एज कम है तो आपका प्रीमियम कम रहेगा. Start early. Start early. So my first advice was start reading early. Second was start saving early. Third was start working on your health early. Fourth was start insurance early. And now, last but not the least, my final advice to you would be start working on your networking skills and relationship early. Now, this is very interesting. You must be thinking कि ये क्या बोल रहे हो? But I tell you, in today's professional world, networking is the most lethal weapon. If you know someone, you can actually land in your dream job. You can actually find investors for your new venture. आपको पैसा रेज करना है मार्केट से, start talking to your alums. I'm sure they must be doing fantastically well in their lives. Contact करो, सबको contact रखो. LinkedIn पे जाओ, Twitter पे देख लो क्या कर सकते हो, Facebook है, Insta है, but keep contacts. It's very important in today's world. So if you're not powerful, but you know someone who is powerful and he is willing to do it for you, तो आपको equal power मिल गई. You'll get your work done. जाओ किसी को hire लो करो. So I'll share trivia with you. Average person like me and you, we pick our phone every 12 minutes, irrespective whether we have any notification or we have any work on phone or not. हम हर 12 मिनट में अपना फोन उठा के जरूर देखते हैं, भले कुछ काम ना हो. So when we spend that much of time over the phone, why don't use it productively? हाय हेलो कर लो किसी से, LinkedIn में मैसेज भेज दो. I'm sure people will respond. अगर दो ने भी कर लिया 10 में से attempts में से, at least you know 2 more people in the professional world. There's no harm, right? अच्छा ही है. So assuming someone is looking to form a sales team and you are the guy who is very outgoing and street smart, he might consider you. तो आपको पता नहीं है कि नेटवर्किंग से आपको कब कहाँ पे क्या हेल्प मिल जाएगी. This is very important. Very important. This actually does wonders today. So now I think I have taken most of the time. I'll come to the end of the session now. So these were my 5 advices. If you pick even 2 or 3 of these, I think it should be really helpful for your bright future and career. Do at least try and inculcate at least 1 or 2 of these. Should be really helpful. And try reaching out to your alums, your friends. Friends तो वैसे ही बहुत important है. इंजीनियरिंग की जो दोस्ती है वो that goes for a lifetime. Gaurav, Sandeep, all of us, we are such good pals even today. It goes for a lifetime. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And now let's open the floor in case if you want to ask anything. Gaurav?
Yeah. Students, if you like to ask a question or interacting with him, you can please. Any question?
Morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Raj, Electronics and Telecommunication Department.
Yeah, hi.
And I have a trader. So can you suggest some penny stocks and some stocks for the long-term investment?
Well, see, this is so if I understood, there's some signal issue. If I understood correctly, you're asking for recommendation the stocks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can take that subsequently because in my current job, actually, I'm not supposed to disclose these details on a public forum. So maybe we can take it offline with you. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, Ujjwal, I will share his number with you. You can interact with him anytime. As he said, you must make contacts with the alums, with our alma maters. So you should go ahead with him later on.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks, Ujjwal.
From students. Okay. So thank you, Ankit, for such a wonderful session. And you describe beautifully how a dream can come true if you decide and start believing in you. That you have shown with your live example. You also explained comprehensively the principle of compounding, and you related it beautifully with different walks of life. So I certainly believe a student would be benefited by your rich experience. Thank you. Thank you, Ankit.
Thank you again. Thanks everyone for inviting me for this wonderful session. You have been a great audience. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks everyone. And thanks, Patel sir. Take very good care of
Yeah.
yourself. Thank you. Thanks everyone. I leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.